Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube without ads. Now, you need to know that there are two main methods. The first method is to simply go here and open your browser, then search for YouTube Premium, and you should subscribe to YouTube Premium in order to remove all the ads from the videos. And you can actually try 2 months for free, and don't worry, you'll not have to pay. You just have to enter your payment information, but no money will be withdrawn till you finish these 2 months. And after you finish the 2 months, if you do not want actually to pay, you can simply cancel your subscription and they will not withdraw any money from your credit card. Now that was the first option. The second option is to simply go and open new in private window. Just make a new tab, then search here for Bing. And after that, you should search here for any video that you need. Let's say how to jungle. Then you should type here site YouTube, because I want it on the YouTube. When you click on the enter, it will show you here many videos. Now you can simply go and open any video of these. Now here, as you can see, I have no ads on the video itself. It's totally without ads. And if you want to watch a specific video, you just have to copy its title like so, then go and paste it just right here. And after you paste the name of the video, you just should type site YouTube. After that, click on the enter button in order to search, and here you have it. You have the video right here. You can now go and open it. This is the video. I just have to open it, and here you have it. You have it with no ads completely. You can watch the whole video, and even when you click on one of these videos on the right side, you will not get any ads, as you can see. So in my case, because I'm just doing an upload, it may take some time because of the internet connection. And that is it. This is how you can actually watch any YouTube video without ads. And I have shown you two methods to do so. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.